Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really enjoy unboxings and you guys do too. And if I can blend an unboxing and indie brand makeup, I'll take it. I just received my Eyescream Beauty bag for the month of May. If you're unfamiliar with the Eyescream Beauty bag, this is the sister subscription to the Eyescream Beauty box. It's $12.50 monthly and you'll receive 3 to 5 full-size items. Their focus through Eyescream Beauty is keeping it makeup heavy and then indie brand makeup heavy as well. So we're gonna dive in. As always, I have on brows and base so we can test some goodies out. I hope everybody is well. I do really like their little bubble mailer this month. It is so freaking cute. And I do always, because I do have my resale group and stuff like that, I always keep all my packaging. I always recycle, reuse, things like that. So let's get everything out. Ooh, shaping up to be a good bag, you guys. We have a little informational card each time. And right on top, I am seeing the Bella Luxe lip gloss from Bella Cosmetics in Plastic Princess. And I'll show you what that looks like, and of course we will demo. Oh, that packaging is so pretty. I love that. And it's a beautiful pink with some like glitter reflect and stuff in there, so of course we'll test that out. Next up is the Illuminati, the multi-chrome gel eyeliner in the colorway or color story Prime. We've actually gotten quite a few of these, which, I mean, I understand that we're going to get repeats and stuff sometimes, but I think I've gotten 4 of these now. They do work great though, and I do like the packaging. Ooh, that is beautiful. I'm seeing a lot of like a burgundy-ish shade, some like goldy greeny. All right, so if that will actually match our eye look, because I do see a palette, then I'll test this out for you guys. And then last up, we have a palette. This is the Bella Cosmetics My Orange Squeeze eyeshadow palette. And it does say that they are cruelty-free, and this is a 24-month shelf life. Really pretty, I like that. All right. I feel like we've gotten something very similar to this recently because I even mentioned like the pans kind of looking the same. I need to go back and look at that. Unfortunately, guys, I can't like kind of check myself on my information because I film on my phone and my information is, you know, in my phone. But I am wearing like yellows and oranges and stuff today, so this is actually going to make for a really beautiful look. I do quickly want to go down our little card here. We had the Bella Orange Squeeze palette. This is $16. We have our Bella Cosmetics, the Bella Luxe lip gloss for $6. And then of course we had the Illuminati Cosmetics multi-chrome eyeliner for $21. So of course, I always still, even if it's things I'm not necessarily going to use, I still always feel like I get the bang for the buck here. Let me start by the lip product. I do really like that packaging. Okay. I don't actually really smell anything at all. I like for a lip gloss to smell yummy, but that's personal preference. And I do actually like a larger doe foot applicator. Again, they know that's personal preference. All right, that actually has a little bit more pigment than I anticipated. Slightly thicker of a lip gloss, but not too heavy, and it's not feeling like sticky or gloopy just yet, but we will definitely see. I'm gonna prep my eyelids really quickly using my Alter Ego eyeshadow base. This is my favorite one of all time. This and the ABH eye primer are lovely. And they did send me one of these and then they went on sale and I bought 2. That's how much I love it, and I've already panned 1. I like this primer a lot because it's a little bit thinner. It's not quite so like thick and cakey and kind of tends to dry out my lids like a lot of them can. I do have very dry skin. It gives just a little bit of coverage, so if you do have like sallowness or veining or anything like that, it is going to kind of combat that. And I love it. I think it's fantastic. All right, we are prepped. I'm also going to go ahead and throw on some blush and stuff like that and go ahead and have my little curve case out. I literally use this almost every single time that I do my makeup. It is phenomenal. So let's go in. Let me see what I want to do. I want to swatch this because if it's too chunky, I don't think I'll use it, but it is beautiful. Oh, oh yeah, that's pretty. All right, I think we're going to go yellows, oranges because I really want to use that shade right there. So I'm going to go in... I think I'm going to go right here first. Orange Push. I'm probably going to go into Mimosa Time. Maybe another one, but I did just want to swatch these for you. They swatch incredibly well. They're quite bright and pigmented and impactful. So I actually think I'm going to go dark to light. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with a very, very small brush and go into the orange one first. Getting a little bit of kick up. That does not bother me. I note it for you guys. Holy crap, that is pigmented. And I'm going to start really small, and I start by pushing and kind of packing the color into place first. Again, I want to keep it low so I have room to blend out. And I think I'm going to come about halfway over or so. Wow, yeah, that's beautiful. Ooh. And then I'm going to kind of round that out and bring it down to the lower lash line as well. That's pretty, y'all. I'm going to take the exact same brush and go into that yellow. And where I left off here with that shade, I'm going to meet that shade and come slightly above. You could obviously do this in reverse, and you could go from light to dark if you so choose to. Do whatever makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Y'all know that. Oh yeah, pretty. And then in between the two, I'm going to barely tap my skin. Then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and come up to Pure right here, which is kind of a sand type shade. And again, kind of meet that shade and my bare skin. Oh yeah, I'm going back in with the original brush, going into the yellow and putting that on the inner portion down here. Great pigment, blending out really well. Getting some kick up in the actual pan, and it seems like it's a little dusty like on the brush, but it's not going all over my face, so that's good. Then I'm going to do tiny circular motions just to make sure that my blend is there. That was easy as heck, y'all. I'm going to take like a smudger type brush. I'm going to go back into the original shade, and I just kind of want to really intensify it, really see how pigmented I can get that shade, and it is quite punchy. That's beautiful. Then I'm going to go in with the Gourmande Girls Glitter Glue. This is also my favorite glitter primer, and it just looks like a slippy serum. That's my favorite part of it. It's very thin. It does not disrupt the mattes underneath. It gets tacky in no time, but mostly just the texture of it. The texture of it's lovely. All right, I am going to go into Quench It. That looks absolutely freaking stunning, you guys. Oh yes, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I can see like green, orange, yellow. It's got really fine mica and then larger particles as well. And you can see I'm kind of tapping down onto that sticky primer, and I'm not rubbing. I'm tapping and lifting. Tapping and lifting. Holy crap. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious, that's stunning. And I like that the gloss kind of matches the look. Oh, that's beautiful, you guys. Let me do this eye off camera. I'll BRB. All right, here's our finished look. Well, almost finished. I did go in with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Castello. And then finished up with the Too Faced Ribbon Wrapped Lash Mascara to top everything off. I'm gonna go back into the palette. Let me find a small brush. And I'm gonna go up here into Dainty Thang. Pick a little bit of that up on my brush. And just pop it on the inner corner for a little added brightness right here in the inner corner. Ooh, pretty. I think I'm gonna pop that at the brow bone as well. I am thrilled. I think this is a 5 out of 5, as always. I really feel like I just got this palette though, you guys. I will definitely look back and let you guys know here. I don't mind that, that's fine. If it becomes kind of a constant where I'm always getting the same things, then maybe that might make me a little bit upset, but I'll bring you guys close. Yeah, that glitter shade, beautiful. And that is it. That is all of my products from my Eyescream Beauty bag, as well as the demo using the products. I feel like for $12.50, it's a great bang for your buck. It's a really affordable way to kind of test out new brands, specifically if you like indie brand makeup. Yeah, and I always like that they try to kind of build a cohesive look together generally with the products. So I'm definitely thrilled. What did you guys think? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you so much for coming into my space. Thank you for allowing me into your space. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.